Hi ma'am, I'm John Peter Lafuente and I'm going to report the Chapter 8, which is the laws regulating accommodations establishments. Learning objectives. Identifying the laws affecting the accommodation sectors. Identifying the rights of hotel guests. Explain how quality and safety standards are maintained by the hotels and similar establishments by meeting minimum requirements of the law. A hotel is a commercial establishment that provides lodging, accommodation, and other services to travelers and tourists. Hotels typically offers rooms or suites for guests to stay in, along with the amenities such as restaurants, bars, swimming pools, fitness centers, and conference facilities. They vary in size and styles, ranging from the budget hotels to luxury resorts. Hotels are commonly found in the popular tourist destination business district and near transportation hubs. The aims to provide a comfortable and convenient stay for the guests, offering service such as a room service, housekeeping, and concierge assistance. A resort is a type of accommodation that offers a wide range of amenities and recreational activities for the guests. Unlike traditional hotels, resorts are designed to provide a complete vacation experience within their premises. Resorts are often located in the scenic and recreational areas such as beaches, mountains, or tropical destinations. Tourist Inn is a typical of accommodation that caters specifically to tourists and travelers. It is a typical smaller in size compared to hotels and resorts, and often offers a more intimate and homely atmosphere. Tourist inns may be independently owned and operate or part of the small chain. Tourist inn is usually provides a basic amenities such as comfortable rooms or suites, private bathrooms, and common areas for guests to relax. They may offer also traditional services such as a breakfast, housekeeping, and assistance with travel arrangements. Tourist inns are often located in the convenient and central areas, making it easy for the guests to explore nearby attractions and landmarks. Apartment can be rented for the short-term stays such as a few days or weeks, or for more longer durations such as several months. They are popular among travelers who prefer the convenience and flexibility of having their own space and amenities. Apartment rentals often include utilities and may offer additional service such as housekeeping or laundry facilities. Both tourist inns and apartments provide alternative options for travelers seeking comfortable and convenient accommodation, with the main difference being in the size and style of the establishments, as well as the level of service and amenities offered. Pension house is a type of accommodation facility usually found in the Philippines, offering affordable lodging options, often with the basic amenities like beds, bathrooms, and sometimes meals, catering to budget travelers or those on long-term stays. And last is the tourist hotel in a motorist hotel is a type of accommodation designed specifically for travelers who are on the road, typically located near in the highways or major roads. These hotels often provide convenient amenities for motorists, such as ample parking space, easy to access to rooms from the parking areas, and services geared towards the travelers, like late check-ins and quick meals. The following laws, rules, and regulations are vital in the vital in enforcing in the National Building Code of the Philippines. First is the Code of Sanitation of the Philippines 856. This law is provides a code of sanitation where the prescribed sanitation requirements for the all aspects of the country from the physical environments to human resources. Second, the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000, Republic Act of 9003. This act provides the legal framework for the country's systematic, comprehensive, and ecological solid waste management program. It ensures the protection of the public health and the environment. Third is the first code of the Philippines, which is the PD 1185. A fire code sets a regulation concerning fire safety in the buildings and instructors. Fourth is the Philippine Environmental Code. This law aims to achieve and maintain the levels of the air quality that protects public health and prevent damage to the plant and animals' life. It also promotes the social and economic development of the country. Fifth is the Environmental Impact System, PD 1586. This decree establishes an environmental impact statement system, including the necessary institutional mechanism and incentives. Of goals is to maintain a balance between socio-economic growth and environmental protection source. Six is the rules of regulation to govern the accreditation of the hotels, tourist inns, apparels, resort, pension house, and other accommodation establishments by the Department of Tourism. This set of the rules and regulations govern the accreditation of the various accommodation establishments in the country. Seventh is the law of enhanced mobility and disabled persons, 344. This law aims to enhance the mobility of disabled persons by requiring certain buildings, institutional establishments, and public utilities, installed facilities, and other devices. Section 104 of Building Regulations typically outlines general requirements for the constructions projects, covering aspects such as structural integrity, of safety, accessibility, and environmental considerations. It sets standards of buildings, materials, designs, parameters, occupancy load, fire safety measures, and appliance with the local building codes. Overall, it ensures that buildings are constructed to meet safety and quality standards. Section 105 of Building Regulation deals with the set specific requirements of the construction project. It includes regulations regarding zoning, setbacks, easement, site access, drainage, landscaping, environmental impact assessments, and other factors relevant to the location of context of the building site. These requirements aim to ensure that construction activities are carried out of the manner that is compatible with the surrounding environment and adhering location planning regulation. The responsibilities of accommodation establishments by the typical include providing safe and clean lodging facilities, ensuring guest satisfactions, maintaining hygiene standards, complying with the local regulations, providing adequate customer service, ensuring the security, and managing reservations efficiently. Additionally, they may be responsible for the offering amenities such as a Wi-Fi, parking, and dining option, as well as addressing any guest concerns or compliance completely. Overall, their primary goals is such to create a comfortable and enjoyable experience for their guests while upholding high standard of the hospitality service. Article 801 outlines the general requirements for lights and ventilations in buildings. It typically includes specification of regarding the minimum size and placement of windows, the provision of the natural lights and air circulations within ha- habitable space, requirements for the artificial lighting and mechanical ventilation system in the areas where the natural lights and air are insufficient, and measures to prevent large overheating and indicate ventilation. These requirements aim to ensure the building provides the occupants with adequate access to natural lights and fresh air, contributing to their health, comfort, and well-being. Section 301 of building regulations typically covers the requirements and procedures for obtaining buildings permits. It outlines the necessity of acquiring permits before accommodating constructions by the types of project that requires permits and the penalties for failing the obtain proper permits. Section 302 details the application process for the building permits. It usually includes information on the documents and plans required for the submission of the fields involved and the steps of application needed for the follow of the complete an application process. This section may also specify the criteria of the application must meet for the considered of approval.